3 or 4 puppies. They don't really have that many. Yeah, the girl is Winter. Yeah, she's a small dog, so she may only have 3 or 4. But I'm hoping for a 5. I'm hoping for a 5. Shit, if I can get a 5, that's even better. Shit, I'm gonna keep one too. I'm gonna keep one. Cause I looked it up. I can crossbreed these. I can crossbreed these. Cause if you look up Chihuahuas, and I can crossbreed these, so I can keep a girl and have Chico mate with the girl. A human or a pet in the house. Yop, his daughter. We further in here. Chihuahua sold not for $25. Yeah, she was pregnant the whole time, girl. I was shocked that she had her, because last time she got big like this too. For her first period, she got really big like this. So I'm like, I'm not used to breeding small dogs. I'm used to breeding pits. So it was a different experience for me because I'm not used to breeding small dogs, and I didn't know if she was hormonal or was she yeah, because the first time she had her litter, I mean get out, Chico, get your ass out. The first her first heat, she got big like this, and she wasn't pregnant, so I didn't know. I am so nauseous. I need to eat something. Hey, I told Tay I need that dog back. I told Tay I need that dog back for at least a month so I can breed this other dog. He can have it back. I want to breed Bruce with this dog I got, and he can have it back. Bruce is not a bad dog. That's why he don't bark. He's a family house dog. Thank you. Bruce, he'll eat, but he's so used to eating table food. So if he y'all tell Tay, if he noticed that Bruce is not eating, he have to get some chicken and put it in the oven and give it to him, and then he'll start eating. Yeah, Bruce is a really good dog. I'm still waiting. Oh shoot. It should be coming out now. Damn.
You never hooked my printer thing.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll do it. I hope this dog not dead. She may have a stillborn, y'all.
And Mary Green.
Yeah. Take me in.
Shit. This shit is about to be nasty.
Tuck me in. Tuck me in. Tuck me in.
Nah.
Tuck me in.
Because the dog is born in a bubble. It's supposed to be out. Okay, so I'm about to pop the bubble. Okay, let me give y'all a quick preview. Get out, y'all.
Don't fucking touch me.
So I'm about to pop the bubble.
When did y'all find my phone? Go look.
She needs to be licking it. Oh, this shit is nasty as fuck. Damn. I got no fucking gloves or nothing.
Going in.
I don't know bad.
No, I don't want no bag. This is nasty. She need to come down here and start licking. Winter. Winter.
She's tired.
Lick your puppy. Winter. Shit.
But it's a wolf. You know when he. I was like,
Shit.
why didn't I get food right now? But.
Damn, I ain't never had to fucking... Give me a rag or a towel or something. I ain't never had to pop no bubble. Damn. It's not stuck. The puppy is out. The puppy is out. It's just that it's still in the bubble and I gotta pop it. Shit is so nasty. Can y'all close the door?
Oh, it's cautious. What's her name back up?
This is nasty. I can't even pop this motherfucker. Winter, you have to come down here and lick it, Winter. That's the puppy right there.
Well, you ain't hit this.
Shit.
And when I'm feeling broke, Angelic by my side, handy like running.
I don't know how to pop this motherfucker. I gotta pop it. I gotta pop it. I gotta pop it. I gotta pop it. Oh shit, this motherfucker thick.
It's slimy.
The bubble is thick
You
though.
know I'm slimy. Get on snake by his partner. Yeah, you kept the back door closed, but you ain't locked it. Goofy ain't had one in the head. I had to cut it.
Fuck.
Let me taste that. Let me taste
Yeah, this is her first litter. So she don't know what the fuck to do. So that's why I gotta be in here.
more juice.
Okay.
wrong with you, man? I said something seriously wrong with you.
Ew!
You can do it.
I think. Yo, come on.
Okay, it's nothing in here
Let's play football.
Uh-uh.
but blood.
Who the fastest?
There ain't no puppy in here. I gotta see. I'm gonna give her some more time.
Yeah, I have to be about a little bit. Because I'm not gonna smoke. Yeah.
Hey, get out of here. I'm about to smoke some. Get out.
It's a theoretical kid.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. So, if the if the puppy is already out, once you break that bag, you need a towel to start rubbing it vigorously so you can stimulate it to start breathing.
Yeah, I
Or
know.
else you're
I
gonna
know
lose
that
it.
part. I know that part. But I'm not seeing no baby up in here. It's just a bag full of blood.
Oh, then that means she's passing. Then she only had one.
One
Yeah. Yep.
motherfucking dog.
Yep. It happens sometimes. How many ties did you get?
They only got stuck twice, but it was only for a little while.
Yeah. So that's what happens when they only tie for once. So you got a singleton puppy, so she's just passing the afterbirth. That's why she's not stimulating or licking it.
Right, cause I'm like, she supposed to be licking it. Damn. Bullshit. Damn.
Yeah.
Because $500. I'm like about to get like $250. God damn. Oh, ain't shit up in there.
Yeah.
Damn.
As long as she's passing it without any issues, then you're okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. No worries.
That's some fucking man. Damn, man. I'm mad as fuck. Damn. I ain't never had no dog just one puppy and shit. That's some bullshit, man. That is some fucking bullshit, man. This is the fucking risk that you gotta take when you got these little bitty ass motherfucking dogs. Hell no, it ain't no motherfucking cake. That I ain't even get even. I spent $500 for her, $500 for Chico, and all she gonna have is one motherfucking dog. Damn. That's some bullshit. See, what happened was, let me tell y'all what happened. Winter did not want to have sex. Winter did not want to have sex. Every time Chico tried to have sex with her, she was crying because it was her first time having sex. So I guess it was hurting her. So she didn't, you know what I'm saying? It was hurting her. So every time Chico would go in, she would cry and she would bite Chico because I guess when Chico was trying to go into her, it hurted. So they didn't stay stuck for a long time. Damn. Damn, man, I'm fucking pissed off, bro. That's some bullshit. All this motherfucking time. Damn, this some bullshit. I'm about to cry, man. That's some bullshit. So that means she only gonna have 2 more litters left. This is a waste of a litter, bro. Because she can only legally have 2 more litters left.
Legally?
Yeah, because if she had so many litters, she could die. She can't have no. I can't.
What the fuck is illegal about it, though?
Illegally, because you can't keep on breeding the same dog over and over and over and over and over again.
Is that illegal?
That is illegal for her.
How the fuck is that illegal?
It's illegal for her. It's against the dog, and she's not supposed to keep on having dog.
Illegal? That means a crime. That is not no crime.
It's a crime against the dog. Give me. I'm about to get some of this motherfucker. Is it a chaser? I'm gonna have to drink some of this Parmesan. This some bullshit, man. How the fuck she only got one motherfucking dog up in there? Damn. I'm pissed the fuck off, man. Fuck that. This ain't the lie. I don't believe it. I believe that she gonna pop up on another one. Cause I'm like, this bag is full of blood. I'm like, this ain't no motherfucking puppy.
So she always be that?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She always be this fat. So that's why I couldn't tell if she was pregnant or not. Because when she in heat, she get really big. She blow up and shit. Damn. Bullshit. Congratulations on one motherfucking dog.
Damn, be happy for her. I thought you was happy for her.
Hell no, I ain't motherfucking happy.
It ain't no Angelic, it ain't no illegal to keep breeding that puppy. Man, you can breed that puppy how many times you want to breed.
No, you can't. You could kill him like that.
No, you can't. Who told you that lie?
That's just ghetto. Why would y'all want to keep on breeding a dog?
Because you want your money. You got to keep your money flowing. That's a dog, man. You got to get your bread off that motherfucker. Breed that motherfucker again and again and get your money off of it. It's a dog, man. Ain't no kid.
Y'all some hood niggas.
Breed that motherfucker. Michigan in this bitch, Flint Town.
Michigan, big game. But no, yeah, shit.
Breed that motherfucker again, man. Get some money off that motherfucker.
I'm a breeder again, but I can't keep on breeding her, though.
It's a dog. Angelic, it's a dog, man. It's a damn dog. Damn, you gotta make money off of it. You spend your money, make your money off the damn dog. If it die, you die. It ain't one of your kids. Bye.
Bye. Poor Winter. That's some Detroit shit. I don't know what y'all. That's some Michigan shit. I only breed my dogs up 3 times. I don't go for a 4th. I don't go for a 4th.
Get Bruce back. We need some of Bruce's genes.
Right.
We'll buy those dogs. This one-eyed mutt. No, Angelica, give it away.
Bitch. Now you might not get your motherfucking ass back in the motherfucking comments, bitch. I'ma kick your ass out. You been waiting to come up here and say some ignorant ass shit, bitch. I've been watching your ass in the motherfucking comments. Now don't y'all come up here starting shit on this is the 2nd day of Hanukkah. Don't y'all come up in here talking shit, bitch. Okay? Now I'm gonna get Bruce back just so I can breed him back. Bruce is going back today. Bruce can't stay. The fuck? Bruce can't stay. Bruce can only come to give his loins. But he gotta go the fuck back. I don't give a fuck. Taylor like he doing an immaculate job. I'm gonna do 7 o'clock or something like that tonight. They open up their second right, Bruce love Tay. Bro, I don't believe that it's only one fucking pup. I just can't believe that shit. I'm waiting right here. Fuck it. I got hope. I cannot believe it was one puppy in that motherfucker. Damn, bro. I tell you ain't not fucking useful. Winter. You ain't useful. Damn, bitch. Get on my motherfucking nerves. All that fucking you was doing. All that motherfucking fucking you was doing. You gonna come produce one puppy? What in a white? I got it from a white woman. That's probably why. You know, I don't hate white people. But white people can't produce a lot of babies, okay? If I got it from a hood nigga, then if I got it from a hood, she'd have about 5 motherfucking puppies. Nah, I got her all the way. I went far to get her. I went motherfucking far, okay? I went far to get this motherfucking dog. I went to white man's land to get this motherfucker. And here she come, bringing out this one motherfucking puppy. Bitch, I should take your ass back. The fuck? Ain't that about a bitch?
Thought you was happy.
I want motherfucking money back. I ain't even break even. I spent $500 for her, $500 for Chico. I didn't even fucking break even.
Are you happy?
Damn. Now I'm about to keep this a boy. Damn. Then she gonna give me a boy. If she would have gave me a girl, I could have had 2 girls' dogs, and Chico could have had extra fun. I gotta get rid of this dog because this is a boy.
Yes.
I can crossbreed though. Google it. I can crossbreed chihuahuas. I can't crossbreed no pit. If I crossbreed a pit, that's gonna make them crazy. I can crossbreed a chihuahua, but I can't even keep this motherfucking dog because this is a boy dog. Damn. I'm having faith. She's still in labor shit. I got faith that she gonna have some more puppies. Fuck it.
I'll take them puppies downstairs back. Shit.
This some bullshit, man. It gotta be some more doggy. Now I gotta then there's extra work on me because I gotta stay up with this dog, make sure she don't smother it. Cause my second litter, I had 3 litters with my other pets. The first litter I had to stay with the dog because they don't know what they're doing on the first litter. I gotta make sure the dog get on the nipple, make sure the dog is getting milk. I got a second litter from the pit bulls, and I found the dead dog. You know how I found the dead dog? Because the dog had 9 puppies each litter. The second litter, it was dead. One dog got killed because the mama was laying on the dog, and the mama smothered the dog. And then I tried to take the dog away. The dog was lifeless. Okay, the dog didn't have no life in it. And I tried to take the dog away. The mama They didn't even want me to take the dead dog away. She started stuffing it in between the she tried to bury the dead dog inside the covers and shit. Good morning. Surprise, surprise. Now I'm drinking motherfucking Parmesan. Thinking it was gonna be congratulations. Congratulations to me, motherfucker. I only got one goddamn easy goddamn puppy. Damn, that's some fucked up ass shit though, man. For real, I am pissed off. I feel like I lost an investment.
Oh, she was happy for me. Smiling my
Damn.
face, but is you happy for me? This all gonna watch.
There gotta be another motherfucking dog up in there. I'm about to pop this bag. Because honestly, I'm supposed to pop this bag. Because honestly, even if it was the placenta supposed to be popped. Because she supposed to be licking this placenta. She supposed to eat this shit. And she ain't eating it. So it might be some more puppies in there. Because you know, I never bred small dogs. You know what I'm saying? Maybe each dog gonna have a placenta. You know what I'm saying? Because no, for real, y'all, when she's supposed to eat this shit, and she not eating it. She's supposed to bite it open with her teeth, and she's supposed to eat it. She's supposed to eat all this placenta up, and she not eating this shit. So I believe it's another puppy in here. So I'm gonna pop this motherfucker, cause I just refuse to believe that there's only one motherfucking dog up in there. Yeah, she supposed to pop the placenta and she supposed to eat it. Hell no, I'm not about to just leave her alone. Fuck that. I spent my last little stimulus check on these motherfucking dogs. The last unemployment check. Bitch, the last unemployment that I got, I spent this shit on these dogs. So I gotta break even, shit. I gotta break even. That's some nasty ass shit, though. God damn. So I'm about to try to attempt to pop this shit so at least she can eat it. Ooh. It's so hard to pop. I gotta tear it open with my hands. Ooh. Here we go. I need a rag or something. Some bullshit. I'm gonna use the baby thing. Throw it away. So I popped it, but it's another layer. The fuck is going on? This is not some shit I'm used to. Oh, there it go. There it go. There it go. Oh, this shit is nasty. So I popped one bag, and another bag is coming out. I popped one bag, another bag is coming out. So I think I might have another puppy in this motherfucker. Come on, God, don't let me down, baby. Don't let me down. It may be another dog. I love it. I love you so much. I love you so much, Winter. Yeah, you're such a good baby. That helped you out? Yeah. I helped you? Yeah, I helped you out. I helped you out, yes. Aw, look at your baby, Winter. You got a pretty baby. Yeah. So she's still pushing. There's another bag in there. I popped one bag. Now it's another bag. So I'm gonna let her contract while I sip on my motherfucking Parmesan. Patrick, roll the blunt up. Fuck it. Roll the blunt. There she go. There she go. There you go. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Yes, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. I want to see her cleaning it. There you go. Boom. Boom. There you go. Now, cause she can smother this other dog. See how this other dog is up under her? I gotta make sure she don't. This is what you gotta do when the dog is. This is her first litter. You have to be there because you want to make sure she got all the blood out. She got all the placenta out. You want to make sure she's contracting, she's pushing. You want to make sure the dog that she got is getting milk. You want to make sure she's not smothering the dog. So it's a lot. His name gonna be Bingo. His name gonna be motherfucking Bingo. You called it. Who was that? Who was that? Oh. Oh, name the dog. Oh, name the dog. His name is Bigo. Don't come in here, baby, because Winter having her puppies, okay?
What's her name? What's her name?
Their name is Bigo.
Ego. For what?
Chico on a junior. His name should be 500. His name should be 500. Let me see. Patrick, can you roll the blunt? This is stressful. Where the Rellos at? Damn.
Mama. Oh, no, I was telling my batteries run out. When my batteries run out,
Emmanuel Chico being so. If I name it Patrick, it ain't gonna have no job. It's not gonna have no it's not going to have no duties. It's not gonna keep up with its duties. I can't name it Patrick. It's gonna abandon its other puppies. That's not a good name. His name is Bigo. They 14 months. All of my dogs that I have here is 14 months. I got all my small dogs. I got Princess, this dog, Winter, and Chico all at the same time. I told y'all I spent my last the last unemployment check that they gave us. I said, I gotta be smart. This is the last unemployment check they're gonna give us. What I'm gonna do with this, I need to invest it. So I just got I got some dogs and shit. Look at him little legs. Look at him little legs trying to get there to his mama. He's so cute. Man, that motherfucking unemployment and that stimulus package. Oh, they need to bring that shit back. I was living my bestest life off that shit. They need to bring the stimulus and unemployment back. I'm telling you. I only got one for right now, man. I'm telling you, be easy. The stimulus was the best thing that they could have did for the Negro community. I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about.
Man, niggas blew that shit on.
They blew all. They took that stimulus and they took all. They took all the Douce.
Nigga blew that shit on D.
They took all the Douce. They took all the Hennessy. You try to go to every fucking gas station. There was no Douce. There was no Hennessy.
Cause our buddy.
They took all that shit.
All the Erkies.
And just so y'all motherfuckers know, when they gave y'all that seafood, all the motherfucking seafood, let me tell you something. They was doing a documentary on y'all ass. They wanted to see what y'all was gonna do with that money. So all that money that y'all, all that Douce, all that Hennessy, they calculated that. They know that y'all been spending y'all money on all that shit. For real. They know that.
All the dispensary weeds already smoking.
Kanye rants. For real. I'm trying to tell y'all the truth. That's what's up. You put yours on your mortgage. Congratulations, baby. You did something smart. Hell yeah, I'm selling this dog. Shit, that would be a good old 500.
No more shit.
That'd be a good 500. I ain't break even though. I ain't break even.
I still got 10,000 in that shit somewhere, just sitting. I don't know what the fuck is it.
What?
The unemployment shit. I never got it. I got that shit one time. Yeah.
I think it's too late now.
Yeah, shit done. Fuck that.
See, I was helping you get it, and as soon as you turned on me, you didn't even get it.
Fuck you and the unemployment.
God don't like ugly. That's what the fuck you get.
Fuck you and the IRS. Fuck you talking about?
Yes, he worked. He worked my damn nerves. He worked my nerves.
Mind your motherfucking business.
Ooh. He said, mind y'all motherfucking business.
My mama said, mind your business, bitch. Oh no.
I can't believe she only got one fucking puppy, bro. I'm stressed out. No, because she can only have 2 more litters, bro. When she had her next 2 litters, I'm glad. Yes, I'm happy. Matter of fact, because once she had her next 2 litters, I'm getting rid of her. Her and Chico was up for auction. They're going to be for sale. Now, I know she only got one eye. So I'm not expecting to get the whole money that I'm expecting to get. So I'm probably going to take a $200 loss. Because she only got one eye. But that's fine, though. That's still money, though, right? Chico's gone. I'm sorry. I cannot wait till she had these. So now she had her first litter. She going to have the other litters back to back. Watch. She going to have this litter, and then she going to have the other litters back to back. When they have their first set of puppies, they get pregnant really easy. So I'm going to have these 2 litters. I'm going to have 2 more litters by the summer. She going to get pregnant. She going to get pregnant again. Probably in 2 months from now, she going to get pregnant again. And then 2 months from then I'm going to get rid of them. Chico $500. Matter of fact, Chico is $800. Fuck that. Chico $800. Fuck that. Chico, that's a family dog. Chico is $800. Winter, I might do $350 for Winter, cause she only got one eye. But Chico, he for sure $800. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. Would y'all buy Chico? Who would buy Chico? I just want to know my options. Who would buy Chico?
Mama.
What?
I don't want those puppies come here. What is that? That puppy.
Well, fuck y'all too.
Why did the store?
I sell them in the hood for $800. You ain't got to buy.
We already have puppies.
What are you doing with your puppy? How the fuck it get all the way over there? Okay, I get it, Winter. I get it. Here you go. There you go. There go Mama.
Mama, alright, we already have some puppies at the other house.
You see why I say I gotta be on duty? You see why I say I gotta be here?
The other house to Bonnie. Mama, we can't buy these small checks in our house. Just look, I want to. Mama.
Let me see
Why for her in her house?
Okay, let me check her and see if she gonna have more puppies.
It's probably the alternator. You hear me? Probably the alternator.
What's the alternator?
I was watching you have probably the alternator.
Mama, we
Alternator
already
fucking
have
up.
puppies. Patrick, we already have puppies at the other house we made.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. But Winter with our dog was black with Rocky. Now we killed them. Now we got this dream. Now this look at her. Now tell her.
She's still pushing.
We already have.
She's still pushing, y'all. She's still motherfucking pushing, bitch. Yes. Come on, Winter. I'm rooting for you, baby. Give me another puppy.